Looking back on the 2023-24 academic year, we worked hard. We served over 6,000 credit and non-credit students. We took our students beyond the classroom and into the forests, wetlands, play spaces, learning spaces, and labs in and around campus.
A word family.
We put our students in the lead of our farm, our enterprises, our events. 92% of our programs had work-integrated learning opportunities. We went the extra mile to provide students with exceptional learning experiences. We broadened our programs and partnerships. And led the way in research. We were recognized with numerous accolades and awards. We celebrated with our generous community members who supported our students wholeheartedly. Our operations, alumni, and students contributed $130.6 million to the economy. We learned from the past while looking forward to the future. This past academic year, we worked hard. But when we played, we were unstoppable. And we invited the region, the province, and the country to play with us.
Congratulations, félicitations for a second year in a row to the Rustlers.
Rustlers Nation, you have your fairy tale ending. Perfection lives forever.
Thank you for an amazing year.